Ateneo, si Kiefer Ravena, na ang social ng course suite,
Ano?
Comtech Management, Communication Technology Management, di ba?
Oo.
No offense sa mga nag-IS, pero di ba kasi parang yun ang alam natin, di ba, yung ano?
Athletes.
Ha?
Most athletes.
Yeah, di ba, IS Interdisciplinary Studies, so parang bahala ka na, mix-mix, jumble-jumble mo na
At
lang.
saka most athletes usually, sa ibang school,
No, it's not
basketball, commerce, or yung PE, education, si Kiefer one of the few.
Kiefer, kaya ba Kiefer ang pangalan mo? Dahil kay Kiefer Sutherland?
Yeah, actually.
You started playing at 4 years old?
Yeah, I started young.
You really wanted it?
Yeah, growing up, my dad kasi I watched him play na talaga. So, siya yung inspiration ko growing
Did you
up.
try any other sport or it was really just basketball?
It was really basketball.
Yun lang?
Yeah.
Wala nang iba talaga?
Nag-try ako ng ibang sport to train for basketball din.
Oh, single-minded talaga!
I was playing in volleyball. I tried volleyball, football for my footwork. So, kasama rin siya to be a better basketball player.
Saan ka nag-elementary?
Up till grade 5, I was in Lasal Green Hills.
Oh!
And then
Tapos?
grade 6, they recruited me. Ateneo recruited
Pwede
me.
ba gano'n ka aga? Recruit na?
Yeah,
Mga
nilirecruit
belts.
nila ako ng grade 6.
Tapos, from grade 6 all the way to?
Now, Ateneo.
Oh! Also with us is Mateo Gudicelli.
Hi, Miss Chris.
You look
Nice to-
great.
Thank you.
Max, di ba you know ever since naman, crush na crush na, you know that? Sabi ka pa noon. Eto ngayon, mas lalo kang gumuwapo. Ano ba? Ganun ba talaga?
How
Papaya?
old are you now?
I'm 23. I just turned
No,
23.
and the nice thing kasi is that pag Pisoy Sweet, binabagay talaga maging tan. Kasi
Oo nga eh.
ko,
Pero di ba tama ba ako yung tanay yan? Because of
Because of
triathlon.
triathlon, yeah. Because of
ay,
triathlon.
hindi because of ano, paraiso.
Also, Miss Chris, dahil I was training for triathlon and did paraiso at the same time. So, medyo...
Alternate mo yun.
Yes, yes.
Can we just get this question out of the way para matapos na lang? Kaya ka ba na-obsess sa triathlon to mend the broken heart? Or was it because of the triathlon kaya ka iniwan?
Oo, ako yung nabalitaan ko yung pangalawa.
Hindi, no. I just love the sport so much, so I gave a lot of time to it.
So you love the sport more than you love your ex-girlfriend.
Kaya ka pinibreak.
Hindi naman, I love everybody. And, I guess...
Does it happen? Oh, sorry, inaanak. I have to ask you for that. Minsan ba talaga,
Kaka-training, no?
oo, nangingibabaw talaga yung passion for basketball, sa kanya for triathlon, na nagkakaroon ka ng blinders, hindi mo napapansin yung ibang sa paligid mo.
Yeah, siguro nga with the case of Mateo also, if you love the sport so much, nangyayari din yung gano'n. So, una-una, syempre maghanap ka ng girl na understanding. So, yun ang pinaka-importante.
Hindi, natanong ni Chris, may ex-girlfriend ka na ba na pinray ka dahil nga mas inuuna mo ang pagbabasketball?
Pero kailangan naman na nga ata niyang unahin. Kasi di ba, varsity player siya. You had a girlfriend, right?
Yeah, before.
Last year, and then
last
it
year.
ended because...
Yeah, some complications also with time and everything.
Pero nag-date siya ngayon. Yung dinedate niya, itago daw natin sa pangalan Katrina. Where does she go? She's to
Ateneo also.
Oh, she's pretty, oh.
Sports din ba yan? Wala lang.
She dances.
Okay, Mateo, pag-usapan natin yung sa'yo.
Yes po.
Oo, basta naman na. Marami ka na sa amin.
She got tired of you spending so much more time training
Ganun
than with her.
No, I think that, Miss Chris, ano po, because triathlon is a multi-sport, so swim, bike, run, so it takes a lot of time. And swim, bike, run. And it's known in the triathlon world it causes breakups, right, Gigim?
Yes.
Okay, so that was the reason.
One of, I guess. Yeah.
One of the reasons. Okay, so...
Mateo is actually setting himself up to ako manager nito eh.
Good.
To a love affair na reactive din, malapit na yan.
Oh.
Ay, itong babae ito galing sa Amerika to. Ito, malapit.
Huwag ka kaya mo like Jessie!
Niligawan niya na si Jessie!
Huwag ka pula-pula! Uy, huwag ka ganyan, Mateo, Oh, si Jessie's such a nice girl.
She's so cute na ni Jessie! Mas di mo na ibang istasyon, crush si Jessie Mindoro.
Jesse's going to do triathlon very soon.
Very good.
Ayun! Uy, ikaw ano ba yun?
Actually,
May
wala
come back sa
Medyo Spotify, baka nanonood si Jessie eh. Wala pong desire si Mateo. Kami po ang may desire na si Mateo mapunta sa babae yan. Pero nandiyan na si Jessie, kay Jessie na tayo.
Salamat, Gigim.
Okay ba yan?
Ang galing,
Sila ni Jessie.
Super. Okay, so wait, sandali lang. Sino ba yung gusto mo pakilala sa kanya?
Ay, ayoko na sabihin yung pangalan ni Kim Kilgore dahil ano, tuloy.
What's her name?
Kim Kilgore.
Kim,
Oh.
Kim,
Di ba?
Kim, ang pangalan. Oh.
We haven't even met Miss
Oh.
Chris.
Just talk on the phone.
And yeah,
Why did you talk to her?
because Kuya Kim said, but they talk to her.
May Jessica na to.
Hey, that's what I know.
Before Jessie, ha?
Nung sinabi ni Kuya Kim naghintay, sinabi ni Kuya Kim naghintay si Kim, sabi ko, nandiyan na si Jessie.
Sandali.
Yes!
Tama.
Sino ba tong Kim na to?
Triatic daw na foreigner.
Yeah, how did you meet her?
Actually, she's half Filipina, half American triathlete that comes to the Philippines to compete all the time. So, the big triathlon events in the city, makikita mo yan, yung star. At mabilis.
Wait a minute. Why are you friends with
Tao ba
her?
yan, kabayo?
But the triathlon...
Crush din ni Kuya Kim.
You're right! I was about to say na, Kelly, mahinaan na, kabahan ka na. Because bakit niya kausap and why do you have her number? Just mahinaan na, no.
Kelly is so secure.
Biglang pinapawisit ka na. It's like the
Na si Kelly knows so well, na mahal naman ko siya, na okay lang sa kanya kahit
Lagot ka!
may studio.
Hindi, oo.
Kelly is so
Ano?
understanding, hindi siya seloso at all. And then she knows that like, I get to train with the different people.
Oh, when we come back, ha? Kasi parang, eto, ang nakita natin sa inyong tatlo, obviously, they say, di ba, na parang when you're physically fit, you feel so much more positive. Pag-uusapan natin, ano ba mga routine ninyo? Ano bang ginagawa ninyo? May mga share ba kayong tips sa kanilang lahat? Sa pagbabalik kayo ng Chris TV. Heathrow, what's your routine? Lalo na ngayon, kahit summer ba may training?
Yeah, everyday. Tapos, may games pa ngayon, nagsa-start na yung leagues namin.
Aircon naman sana. Yung iba hindi.
Most of the time, hindi pa.
Grabe.
Yeah,
Kasi di
tapos,
ba, ang init-init talaga. Yung tumayo ka lang. Can you
Sobrang
imagine
init.
pa what it's like if you have to play?
minsan natataon pa kami sa games na 12:30, 1, so medyo mainit talaga.
What do you
Kasi
eat?
I'm not particular in my diet actually.
You
to
can
be
eat
honest.
anything?
Yeah, because yun nga na nasusunog naman namin siya with the way we practice, the way we train talaga.
Ako nalilito ako. May mga friends ako, keeper na basketball player, nagpapalaki sila. Yung iba naman nagpapalikit, depende daw sa position.
Yeah,
Paano yun? So,
Ano ka ba?
ano yung position?
Guard.
So, ang guard ba dapat malaki?
Hindi, dapat maliksi.
Yeah,
So, dapat-
depende rin kasi for me, hindi
Point
ako-
guard ka ba?
Yeah, I think shift. Pero for me, hindi ako ganun kalaki, hindi ako ganun katangkad
So,
sa
dapat-
college.
Kailangan
Oo.
mo malaki.
At the same time, yung katawan ko hindi rin pwede ganun kaliit kasi nga I have yung na mga buwabantay sa
Ganun daw yun eh.
katawan and I have to maintain my
So, what are you
speed
doing?
naman.
Ano?
I lift weights din pero not too heavy na bibigat
Oh,
ako,
sige.
mabagal ako.
Hindi siya pwede bumaga.
Yeah, pero magpapalaki ka, di ba? Tapos may mga posisyon naman na dapat talagang mapayat ka or para mabilis ka tumakbo. Kasi gano'n naman daw yan.
Helpful din yung physique mo as a person sa position mo.
Correct.
O Mateo, ikaw daw, 5:30 in the morning, bumabangon ka na?
Yes po.
For what?
That's the time my training starts. It depends.
Now?
Now, na natapos na yung paraiso. So basically, I get up 5:30, I start training at 6.
Where?
Ano ba?
What do you do?
It differs every day. Sometimes I bike run, bike swim, or run lang, or bike. It
Yung
depends.
bike run, ilang kilometers yung bike?
When we do a bike run, it's called brick training. So we do bike maybe 50K, 60K, and then we run 5 to 10K.
Okay,
So we
tapos.
get the muscles used to being active. And
Do
then
you swim also?
I swim also. Usually sa swimming, we do it in the afternoons, 3, 4 p.m. with the team. I swim maybe 2, 3K in the afternoons with my coach.
Tama ba ako, Mateo, sa triathlon daw yung swimming ang pinakamahirap. Bakit po?
Kasi open sea eh.
Oversea.
Hindi. Siguro pinakamahirap matutunan, pero when you know how to do it already, it's so effortless.
Tama.
Pero mahirap matutunan, kinakailangan talaga may coach ka, it's very technical.
Pag sa actual triathlon, ano pinakamahirap?
Pinakamadali yung swimming for me.
For me, it depends. It depends with all the athletes.
Kung sa karil ng 40 mo siguro.
You.
Me, natakot ako sa tubig eh. Kasi sa swim and triathlons, you're 300, 400, 500 people, diretso kayo sa tubig. So, panggaan yan.
Di ba pero maganda yung nakita nila after nang namatay kasi ang dami nila eh.
Explain to you.
Actually, mga namamatay sa triathlon, ano yan eh, let me explain, kasi nagkakaroon sa bad image din yung sport. May mga namamatay, namatay abroad, namatay sa Pilipinas. Marami sa mga sumasali sa sports, mga may congenital defect na eh. Ibig sabihin, may butas na yan sa puso, meron ng aneurysm yan na naghihintay na pumutok. Lumabas during the sport. So, kadalasan sa swim nangyayari, dahil sa swim, hindi ka nakikita eh. If it happens during the run, pwede kayo takbo sa ospital, magugulo ka. If it happens during the bike, sumemplang ka, tatakbo sa ospital. Sa swim, malulunod kang talaga.
So ano dapat gawin, Kuya Kiki? Kailangan nila magpa-test bago sumali sa isang triathlon?
Eksakto. Sa Amerika, very strict. Ano? Bago ka sumali ng full marathon or ng triathlon, kinakailangan meron kang medical check-up. Sa Pilipinas, kailangan ma-implement din yan.
Yes.
Kailangan ma-check yung katawan mo kung meron kang mga inborn, mga congenital defects para hindi lumabas during the sport, during the race.
Okay, obviously, ibang-iba yung kinakain ni Kiefer sa kinakain nyo. Like you, Mateo, what's the diet like?
Me, Miss Chris, I've been starting this diet called the paleo diet, the paleo diet.
Okay, that's what Isa Calzado does.
Yes, but sometimes
Caveman diet
Caveman
daw,
diet.
na nothing processed.
Yes,
Diba,
clean
no
food.
grains.
Yes, but sometimes with the hard training, we need a lot of carbohydrates. So I eat a lot of rice, pasta, and all that starchy food. But I try to keep away from the processed food. So kumbaga, I eat clean food.
Nothing white.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin na stay away from white rice. You can eat as much brown rice as you like. Kailangan mo yan, carbs yan eh. Kung tinapay, stay away from white bread. That's processed eh. Mag-whole ka o kaya rye. Yun. Kahit na mas marami kang kainin, hindi ka tataka.
And what's also nice about triathlon, Miss Chris, pagkatapos ng race, we burn maybe 3,000 to 4,000 calories. So after the race, we can eat anything we want.
Eh bakit karamihan ng mga kaibigan ko or kahit mga babae nagtatriathlon ngayon, nagkaka-abs? Bakit kayo nagkaka-abs?
Because we burn a lot of the fat. Lahat tayo may abs eh. Sweet may abs po.
Kaya
ikaw lang.
yung magdisal talaga, yun ang ibig sabihin.
So,
Pag lumalabas yun, sa anong part ba yun? Sa biking ba yun? Swimming?
Well,
Lahat.
na ganito yan. Yung ang sinasabi ni Mateo, lahat tayo may abs eh. Maski ikaw may abs ka eh.
Ito kaya isa lang.
Kailangan, meron ka anim. Meron ka anim. At may obliques ka na.
Natatago.
Natatago sa maraming taba. Ibig sabihin, because of all the things that we do in a triathlon, naubos ng taba mo, at kung naubos ng taba mo, labas ang abs mo.
Lalabas yun.
When you come back, magpapakita na kayo ng mga no, mga medyo madadaling exercise na pwedeng gawin nila. Yung, di ba, simple, easy to do, and easy. Yung parang kasi once you start something, it's not like, di ba, sinimulan mo lang, di mo na tinuloy. So dapat yung doable. Pero yun nga, ang inaanak ko, magpapakita daw ng abs sa pagbabalik yan.
Yay! Friend ko na kasama nito.
Mga bata sa inyo, mga tahanan niyo kung gagawin na gagawin mo niyo. Nakakaya.
Tapos tuloy ka. Bongga naman inaanak ka sa product
Diyos
mo.
ko!
Tama na, ganun lang po eh.
Leva, isang ganun. Pero,
Ay! Luwig, bakit hindi ka Luis Gonzalo? Jen Cuenca, I'm so sorry! May abs si Kuya Kim!
oo, kasi na-deliver ka ng weather. Total summer eh. Dapat, di ba? Naka-board choice ka lang.
Naka-updated ka!
Dito, dahil nagpakita na ako ng abs, si Mateo naman ang susunod.
Go, Mateo! Yes, Mateo. Let's
Oo,
see.
saan pinaghirapan mo yan? It was your love life!
Mas maganda yun.
In fairness!
At talagang lumayo na si Kiefer at sabi niya magtatago na ako dito.
Abs ka rin ba, Keeper?
Work in progress.
Work in
Under
progress. Sige,
construction.
mabigyan muna
Oh,
natin.
ito shocking naman. Season nila ngayon.
Yeah, okay, ito, what do you do? Kasi you said you wake up, you set the timer for 5
Yes.
minutes. Ano yung 5 minutes na yan?
Basic, can I show it? Can I show it?
Please.
Yeah, so when I wake up in the morning and I know I have a tough day, so I just take 5 minutes in the morning before I go to the shower. So I put 5 minutes sa cellphone ko and I do push-ups. So normal push-ups.
For 5 minutes?
5 minutes mo ka na.
10. Tapos after that, I do crunches.
10 push-ups. And
10 push-ups and
then,
then crunches. Normal crunches.
Ano may crunches?
So, normal crunches.
ayun.
10. And then,
10 din yun.
10 pull-ups. 10 pull-ups. I will bar in the banyo. Do 10 pull-ups. And then I repeat that for 5 minutes.
ulit-ulit na
Yan
yun.
na lang tayo yung tatlo na yun.
Yeah.
Yung 5 minutes na yun, you work up to that, di ba? Kasi huwag mo naman biglain ang sarili mo. Kasi yung 10, baka naman dapat 5 lang.
Baka pwede magbaguhan kayo, 5-5 lang po.
5 lang.
On your own pace, on your own pace. Yeah. But later, eventually, you do it fast. But your heart rate goes up, so you can burn. You burn also.
Oh,
But the
your
secret
heart
to
rate
a
goes
good
up.
workout is intensity more than volume eh. Meaning, you can be working out for 3 hours, pataba ka ng pataba kasi overall lang ginagawa mo. Pero yung 5 minutes na ginagawa ng ni Mateo, dahil napaka-intense,
Sweet, di ba nga yung kay Josh, 35 minutes lang yung kanya, pero sobrang intense, kaya nga sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Correct.
The whole family became healthy because of you.
Well, actually, in fairness to my wife, no? Feli has always been healthy. Since we got married, talagang tumatakbo rin sila sa gym. May abs ang misis ko eh. Meron siya 6-pack abs eh. She has always been healthy. Ako yung nagpamaya. When I suffered a stroke, I was so in love with television. All I did was TV. And then, kalimutan ko maging healthy. Ayan, na-stroke tuloy. So, yeah.
So now, because of your example, the kids
Yeah, well,
are ganado.
yes, Jose is Jose is a triathlete. He did the Admire Rally, no? He finished it very well.
Ilan taon lang yung anak mo si Jose?
Jose is 10. May ako eh. I have a 10-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 6-year-old.
Pwede ng ganong edad o meron talaga 4 kids?
Meron tri-kids eh. Every time naman kami triathlon na pang-matanda, merong tri-kids palagi yan eh.
Ano water din ng mga kids?
Open water, oh.
Pero sa mababaw lang.
Hindi.
Ano ba jellyfish?
Ay, ako
Minsan meron yan. Minsan talaga.
Yan, di ba? Sakit daw eh. Di ba, Darla? Kasi na jellyfish si Darla eh.
Dapat pinaiiyan mo. Di ba yun daw yung iiyan mo?
Tell everybody.
Yung alat ng ihi will actually ease the itch for a while, temporarily. Pero kung gusto mo matanggal yung mga steak, ano talaga? Suka!
Vinegar. What kind?
Apple cider sa Amerika, pero dito kahit ang suka ko.
Okay. When we come back kasi, parang makita na natin the 5 minutes na 10, di ba? Pero 5 minutes na dire-diretso. Pero kasi I wanna know lang, for all the moms who are watching us right now, obviously, kids will want to try. Di ba? Sasabihin nila, I'm interested in this, kasi lalong-lalo na ngayon sa summer, di ba? Pero kasi sa iyo, Kiefer, obviously, there was talent to begin with. Hindi naman pwede, ginusto lang ng bata, pero wala talaga, hindi genetically predisposed, hindi yung nagpakitang na mayroong espesyal na bukod tangi sa kanya. So, ano yung signs? And I want to ask your mom this, I hope she can answer this also, na what set you apart from other kids? That's why you're where you are right now. So, pagbabalik ka ng Christy. Would like to thank.
Actually, si Kiefer nag-guitar lessons. Yung gano'n. Tapos I try to see kung saan talaga sila interested, saan yung talent. For this, makikita mo naman kung nasan talaga yung talent ng bata. And then, eventually, of course, siguro kakanood rin, and nakita rin talaga namin na he's really into basketball.
Okay, so you have to see by trying a lot.
I think ganun din. Kasi if they don't try it, sometimes parang later pa nila madi-discover na, uy, may talent pala sa painting or sa singing. So better para sa akin, for me, better kung na-discover mo na siya early, you can hone it and they would become parang talagang magaling na bata pa.
Did it ever reach a point na ayaw niya, tapos kayo yung sabi, tuloy mo. Meron bang burnout na nagaganap kahit bata?
Well, hindi naman. Kasi nga, yun nga po, when I was young, I was trying a lot of things. And eventually, I really love basketball. So, hindi siya yung pinipilit sa akin, kaya hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin siya. Hindi siya yung something forced upon me to do. So, that's one thing that I have to thank my parents for. Kasi sila yung nag-guide lang sa akin to what I love to do. Pero basketball talaga siya. So, hanggang ngayon, wala talagang point na tipong ayoko mag-practice ngayon, ayoko muna maglaro. So, madali siyang mahalin kasi ako talaga yung natuto kung paano ko talaga siya mahalin.
How many kids do you have?
I have 3.
So how old are they?
Kiefer is 19, and then the other one's 16, the other one's, my girl is 13.
So you have another boy.
Boys.
Si 16.
Nag-basketball na rin ba si brother?
Ateneo din siya.
Wow.
So, 4th year, incoming 4th year high school.
Oh wow! Hindi ba?
And then my sister's playing volleyball right now.
Oh wow!
13 years
Ang
old.
bongga.
Okay, pero yan, the family has to adjust sa schedule, di ba, ng training.
Yes, and
Explain natin yan kasi di ba sweet, yung success naman ng mga bata, nagkakaling din sa ibubuhos ng mga magulang.
I would always tell my husband na dapat isa sa amin nasa game, or lalo na, kung yung alam namin na may possibility matalo, mas importante that we're there. Kasi yung sure kami na mananalo nila kasi siguro mas malakas yung team nila. Mas okay na wala kami dun sa ganung games kaysa dun sa alam namin may possibility matalo. Para we're always there na para kahit na malungkot sila or medyo ma-disappoint, we can explain it to them.
It's so important for you also to show everybody na just because you're an athlete, it doesn't mean na pabayaan yung pag-aaral.
That's one thing na sa amin sa Ateneo kasi you don't only pass the subject even if you pass the subject pero kung DVD ka lang, hindi ka abot sa QPI, which won't allow you to play. So that's one thing na you have to really balance everything na, yun nga, student-athlete, always student comes first.
Okay, when Jessie was here, she said kasi na ayaw yung i-label, but you're both really happy right now.
Yes.
Siya yung ayaw mag-label, pero ikaw, i-label mo na.
O, di, tsaka dapat lang sa lalaki ng galing ng leader.
Correct.
Kasi kung ano naman kung kay Jessie, syempre naman yung manok ko naman, hindi naman basta-basta magsasalita yun. Kanina po, nililigawan niyo na po ako. So, sige naman
Where
sa
are
aking
you
Mateo.
nasa na
Ano
kayong
na po?
point ng buhay? Kasi di ba you had a feeding program ng birthday month she joined?
Yes, she came,
Then
yes.
she's met your family, you've met her
Yeah,
family.
she also went to Cebu for Holy Week.
Yes.
You and your family.
Hindi, kasama niya mga kaibigan niya, pero nag-meet kami doon.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero sa bahay niyo sa Cebu kayo.
Yun din, yeah.
So ano na?
Pero, Miss Chris, we don't put a label to what we have. We just tell each other we're very, very happy with each other's presence, and we spend a lot of time together. Kaya wala na show.
You, nag-I love you na kayo.
Ay, hindi pa.
Ay, di pa?
Hindi. So, the only girl I'm seeing right now is, I guess I can say Jessie.
Oh, yun na. Kasi kami niya.
Oo!
But they are seeing each other. Di ba?
Naman! How very, lang, air supply, two less lonely people in the world. Bakit totoo yun, di ba? Kasi pareho naman kayo nang galing sa sugat ng mga puso. Di at least kayo
Perfect. Matawag ko, perfect.
Kuya, tanongin na lang kita. Kasi this started in your 40s.
Yes.
The being physically fit. What can the people do na bigyan yung mid-30s pataas na they're starting to realize their mortality, pero anong mga pwedeng gawin to jumpstart?
When you said that it started during my 40s, yes and no. Actually, now that I'm 46, this is the most fit I've become in my life. Ito ang pinaka-fit na panahon ng buhay ko. No? Although, when I was in my 20s, I was doing aerobics, I was doing other stuff. No?
You're dancing.
I was dancing, no, remember. But now, talagang napaka-fit ko. Ano naman ang pwedeng maisip ng isang tao na sa 40s kung magsisimula pa ng training ng ganitong edad? Meron tayong tinatawag na athletic age eh. Ibig sabihin, no, 40 na ang age ko. Pero ang age ko sa triathlon, magka 3 years pa lang ako. So yung mga 10 taon na nagka-triathlon, pwede ko pang maunahan yan. Kasi ang buto ko hindi para sa mat. Ang muscle ko hindi para mapanat masyado. So ayun ang magandang encouragement para sa mga gusto mag-start ng triathlon na nasa 30s o nasa 40s. Kung nag-midlife crisis ka, triathlon o sports ang pinaka-the best na midlife na try ko.
Sweet, very good na.
Kung 40 pala ako, mag-iisip ako yan.
May I just ask Keeper this? Are you on full scholarship now?
Yes, yes.
Kasi yun lang I want the moms out there to realize that sometimes, di ba, it's worth the investment. Kasi especially sa good thing education.
It's one thing also na na-provide ko sa parents ko na at least medyo maluwag na sila sa part na gano'n. And of course, but also, kasi yung basketball medyo magastos din yan eh. Kahit pa paano, of course, you spend on sneakers.
Oo, yung rubber shoes na mahal.
Yeah, medyo
Ang mahal na rubber shoes na pang basket.
Yun, so natanggal ko na din yun with Nike. So, na-provide ko yun sa parents ko na hindi na nila ako pinagagastusan sa ganung bagay. So, yun.
Alam lang natin na si Sweet maraming nireregaluhan ng basketball shoes, kaya alam na mahal.
No, hindi nag-inquire lang ako lately kasi gusto ko mag-basketball. So tumitingin ako ng mga basketball shoes for myself.
Okay.
Kasi malakas din daw makapayat siyang basketball.
Okay siyang exercise.
Okay, hayaan mo lang. Hindi, ito na lang nakita natin sa kanilang tatlo, Sweet. Yung mararamdaman mo to yung that there's really so much more confidence. Because you know that you're fit, you have a good body, di ba? There's parang mas maganda yung tindin, mas maganda yung yung parang pakikitungo sa mundo. Kasi nga healthy living and clean living.
And at saka yun nga tayo, basically, if you're healthy, if you're doing what you love doing, yung passion mo, dun automatic nagiging kang confident, di ba?
Thanks for being here, And yung for those na sinasabi, I don't have time, yung pinakita ni Mateo na 5 minutes, writer na lang natin si Mark, sana, maisip yung 5 minutes na yun, di ba? Kasi it starts with that.
Correct, 5 minutes lang, and yet si Mateo, nagagawa pa rin yung mga dapat niyang gawin everyday.
Yes.
5 minutes lang, pwede na.
Oo, okay.
At si Kuya Kim naman sa mga, ano yan?
Huwag mo rin ma-stroke.
Antayin na stroke.
Oo,
Maging
go for
healthy
it.
na kaagad. Clean living, maghahanap ng isang sport or healthy eating.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
all. Thank you,
Thank you very
Mr.
much.
Bena.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
God bless you all. Please, abangan nyo nga po this weekend, of course, Saturday after MMK and Sunday pagkatapos ng Rated K PGE Season 4. We're doing our quarterfinals right now. God bless you all. Until next time, thanks, sweet. See you po sa Press TV.
Yeah.